Shanghai May Skin Information Technology Company Limited, established in 2011, is a pioneering entity headquartered in Shanghai, with a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility strategically located in Suzhou. Proudly bearing the insignia of quality and innovation, our esteemed brand, MEICET, stands as a beacon of excellence in the beauty industry. Specializing in facial skin analyzers, body composition analyzers, hair analyzers, and skincare devices, we work with a global partner network to meet your OEM and ODM requirements. At our Suzhou manufacturing hub, we uphold a steadfast commitment to punctuality in delivery schedules and unwavering adherence to stringent quality control protocols, ensuring that each MEICET product that reaches your hands is a testament to our unwavering dedication to excellence. Empowered by a highly skilled IT team boasting expertise in hardware, software, and algorithm development, we continually push the boundaries of technological innovation to bring you products that redefine industry standards. May Skin has obtained CE, ROHS, and other international certifications, along with 27 important national patents. MEICET products and services are distributed in more than 60,000 countries, including the United States, Germany, France, Italy, the United Kingdom, Australia, Vietnam, etc. We invite you to connect with us for detailed product specifications, partnership opportunities, or distribution inquiries. Your communication is eagerly anticipated as we stand ready to embark on a transformative journey of collaboration and innovation together.